In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form using Google Drive. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can access your Drive. Once you're in, you'll see your usual folders and files, but what we care about is creating something new. Look toward the top left corner and click the New button. This is where you can create different types of files, like docs and sheets. Hover your mouse over the option called More. A side menu will appear, and from there, click on Google Forms. This will instantly open up a brand new, untitled form in a new tab. At the top of this new form, you'll see the text Untitled Form. Click on that and type in the name you want to give your form. This might be something like Feedback Survey or Event Registration. Just below that, there's a space for a description. Use this area to briefly explain what the form is for or give any instructions your respondents might need before they start. Now let's add questions. Google Forms gives you your first question field automatically. Click where it says Untitled Question and type in your question. On the right side of that question, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose the question type. You can pick from options like multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down, short answer, or paragraph. Choose the type that best matches the information you need. For example, use multiple choice if you want people to pick just one option, or checkboxes if they can pick more than one. If your question type needs answer options, like multiple choice, click in the option fields and type in each possible answer. To add another question, click the plus icon in the floating toolbar on the right side of the screen. You can repeat this process for as many questions as you need. That same toolbar also lets you add images, videos, or section breaks, which can help you organize longer forms into clear parts. When you're done adding and arranging your questions, it's a good idea to preview the form. In the top right, click the eye-shaped preview icon. This opens a new tab that shows exactly what your respondents will see. Check that everything looks clear, reads well, and works the way you expect. Once you're happy with it, you're ready to share. Click the Send button in the top right corner. Here you can send the form directly by email, or you can generate a shareable link. Copy that link and post it wherever your audience is, like on a website, in a message, or in a group. After that, your form is live and ready for responses.